Hey you guys, welcome back to my patio. Today I'm doing my updated patio garden tour. Everything is starting to grow now, so it's not just dirt that I'm showing you, so I'm really excited about it. We've actually already got a whole strawberry. My daughters actually split it, so that was really fun. They were super excited, and so was I. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're gonna start over here. These are broccoli. This one, and this one. And this one I just noticed today came up. I had to replant it. Not really sure what happened, but the other two are doing really well. You can see them getting big. And these ones are lettuce. That one I planted a couple weeks ago, so it's a lot bigger than these ones. I had to replant both of these pots. And I added a couple extra this time, and of course all of them are coming up, so now there's a bunch of lettuce in there. And then right here I have my peppers. I'm gonna need some bigger pots. Right here are 3 tomato plants. You can see how tall that one is in the middle. They're growing super well. They actually need bigger pots also, and probably some sort of stake. You can see the wind up on the second floor. It gets pretty windy, and I'm a little worried that one's gonna break. Over here we still have our wildflowers going. They haven't bloomed yet, but they're getting really tall and they're going crazy. I'm really excited for that one. And over here in the back we have the cucumbers along the rail, and I did tie a couple of them to these poles. I tied that one and I tied this one, and then right after I tied this one, there was a really strong wind and it snapped the top of it. So we'll see if that one survives, but they're going crazy also. They just shot up. And then in the front are carrots. This is that planter that I think I may have overcrowded, but so far everything looks okay. And then we also added a mint plant. It's just a spearmint plant right there. My kids wanted that one. And over here I still have a bunch of tomato starts. There are a few that are super tall. That one and that one. You can see it a little better from this angle. They're just getting really tall. And then here's the strawberry plant that produced 1 strawberry so far. We also have this one, which is super big, but we haven't had any strawberries from it yet. And up to the herbs, we have this basil, which I feel like when I got it, it was about the height of this one, and it's just like shooting up right here. We've used a lot of it. And then here is the dill, the lavender, and none of these herbs were coming up last time, I don't think. Maybe this one was a little bit. This one is the chamomile, the cilantro, and the thyme. Alright, so I hope you guys loved this little garden update. I'm so excited about it, and I'm really glad everything came up. There were a few things that I had to replant, but they've all come up since I replanted them, so I am really excited, and I will continue to update you as things progress. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching!